The main cause of diseases in the body is inflammation, mucus, and toxins. And I think if we treat this first, there are so many things that we can cure from just treating the blood. One of the best things that you can put in your blood to detox and replenish is the fennel.
Jamar family, how you do? Awesome. You'd have seen me in another video with Maline and Tamara talking about the dog blood herb. But I didn't want to leave St. Mary without delving into another one. It's a hidden gem that I think the entire world needs to know about, and it's called fennel. We're going to look at its blood purifying properties, but also talk about its general amazing health benefits. Stay with me to the end because, as usual, I have a little bonus for you. We're going to share a special recipe, a special fennel drink recipe with you. Maline is going to share that with you. Stay with me. Special shout out again to all my Jamheart family, the people who continue to like, share, and comment on my videos. I say thank you. If you are brand new here, I don't know for whatever reason, it's a good time now. Don't feel bad. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to fennel and Maline. This is it, guys. The fennel with its beautiful feathery leaves and fragrant aroma found right here in Jamaica. And this is the superstar again, She don't want me to say superstar, but she's a superstar because she's all over the place now. Her face is so popular. A Ram Goat Dash Along video and the CMOS and the dog blood. And the dog blood. Say hi to the world, man.
Hi world, how are you? Hi Jamaica.
All right, this is she. We're gonna talk about the
fennel.
Fennel today and its blood purifying properties. What can you tell us about fennel? Why fennel? What about?
Wesley, because I think it's underused and also undermentioned, and I think it has such powerful benefits. And I was researching fennel, I was like, whoa, the world needs to know, Jamaica needs to know the benefits of fennel, and just not in culinary arts, because a lot of persons use it in cooking. For years, I've learned fennel for something for cooking and the sweet aroma, as you mentioned. It smells a little bit like anise or licorice, but it's totally different. Fennel is also a member of the carrot and celery family.
The carrot and celery.
Carrot and celery. Now, the health benefits goes way beyond, and I'm going to be telling you a bit about the health benefits of fennel. But one of the things that really struck my interest with fennel is when I read about Greeks using fennel way back as food and also as medicine for snake bites. And I was like, wow. Now, snake bites, when I think about snake bites, I think about venom going into your blood and toxins, and I think about your blood getting contaminated. So that kind of struck me, and I was like, oh, anything that can take toxins from the blood and purify the blood is something that we need to tap into. And because it's so untapped, I decided, let's do fennel. And for the past 2 years, I've been studying fennel, and I've seen so many records and tests being done. One of the tests that was done back in 2022 is where it helped to cure breast cancer in women and also liver cancer. Now, once I read that, combined with the snake bite and the poison in your blood, I was like, yes, this is something that I have to tap into. So for the past year and a half, Yitshar Blends, as you know, we do the very best in carrying herbs to you and the benefits of herbs, and we believe that health is wealth. So we decided to incorporate fennel with a lot of properties and benefits into our mix. All right, so we have it in about 6 of our teas, and we're going to showcase that and tell you about that later on. Now, the fennel, it's very good because it's anti-inflammatory. It also have antioxidant. It's antiviral. So you can't lose when you use fennel.
You've mentioned about its blood purifying properties a lot. You kept talking about that. What can you tell us about that aspect of fennel?
All right, so fennel has so many different nutrients in it. You have vitamin A found in fennel. Now, vitamin A is great for eye health. It helps with glaucoma and it helps with cataract. Now, this was found out in 2020, I think, when our research was done, that it helps with the eyes. So it's very, very good for eye health. If I had known about it, Wesley, then I probably wouldn't be wearing glasses right now. All right, another thing about the fennel as well, it's packed with vitamin E. Now, vitamin E lowers your risk of cancer. It has a vitamin K. The vitamin K is very important in the body because vitamin K is good for blood clotting. It helps with strengthening of the bones as well. Then we have folate. Now, folate is a very, very important nutrient. It builds the cells, it builds the tissues, it helps with the heart health, it builds red blood cells, and that's a thing that the body doesn't store a lot of folate, so you have to keep replenishing folate. So you have to have this in your body, and that's one of the best nutrients that you can get from the fennel. Fennel is packed with so many benefits. When it comes on to zinc and calcium, which is good for balancing the hormones, you have that in fennel. It also purifies the urine, which makes it great for persons that are suffering with enlarged prostate. It has something in it.
Man, you hear that?
Yeah, man, it has something in it, Wesley, which is known as selenium. And selenium prevents inflammation. It decreases tumor growth. It improves liver health. And it detoxifies cancer compounds. Folate is so important, and selenium is so important. It has a lot of fiber, and fiber is for heart health. It purifies and detoxes the blood, and it helps in the uptake of insulin, which means it helps with diabetes.
Awesome. Fantastic. Fantastic.
The main cause of diseases in the body is inflammation, mucus, and toxins. And I think if we treat this first, there are so many things that we can cure from just treating the blood. And this is why for me, fennel is so important. And fennel is one in a couple of our products, but mainly we're talking about the blood cleansing aspect of it. The blood is I'm going to say the most important thing in the body. The blood is responsible for taking oxygen to the liver, the heart, the lungs, the kidney, the brain, and also to the tissues. So if your blood is dirty, all that you're doing is transporting dirty blood all around the areas to the different organs, which puts stress on the organs like your liver and your kidney and your lungs, making it harder for it to work. So for me, if you just clear the blood, clean the blood, detoxify the blood, then you're good. So one of the things that you need to do, and I think it's like every 4 to 6 weeks that I would recommend for somebody to do a blood cleanse. Now, a lot of persons will ask me, Maline, why you say that we have toxins in the body and inflammation and mucus? How do we get it? Well, we get it because of the processed food that we eat. That's one. We get it because of the air that we breathe, because the air is polluted. We get it because of the red meat, some of the things that is in the red meat, the preservatives, the additives, the parabens, and also through the skin. The skin is the largest organ on the body.
I learned that from my coconut oil friend.
Yeah, man, it's the largest organ on the body. So everything goes through your pores. So we use shower gel at times because it smells sweet. We use soaps, the soaps are based with chemicals and preservatives. So we have toxins going in the body. Also where we work, for persons that work among construction, for person that works in minefield, or persons that work on garbage and so on, and chemicals and all of that, we allow toxins to go in the body. So it's something that's always there. So it's something that we have to look at, and we have to detox
and your recommendation is fennel.
Yeah, man, fennel is one. It's not the only, but it's one of the best superfood that you can use to detox the body. Once you detox your blood, you're good. You'll be amazed how many diseases that will go away once you start treating yourself right and treating your blood. You have to detox the blood. As I said, the blood has three major functions. It protects, it regulates, and it transports. So we have to take care of the blood. Now, the red blood cell is so important in the bloodline. The red blood cell only lives 120 days, so we have to be recycling. So we have to replenish. We have to know what it is that we're replenishing the blood with. One of the best things that you can put in your blood to detox and replenish is the fennel.
Hold on. All right, guys. So I like to say this. I don't know if you love it, but I want to big up. First, big up. Give her a thumbs up for me right now. Give Maline a thumbs up. She's doing very well. Not true? Brilliant. She has a thriving brand, the Yitshar blends. I'm gonna share. If you're brand new here, then you may be new to you, but I'm gonna share how you can get in touch with her. She is a superstar. She is the poster child for St. Mary. Serious, no joke. She represents the parish in a lot of stuff here locally. But if you're fascinated, I'm going to share some additional health benefits. She has focused on the blood purifying aspects of fennel, but I have a few more I want to share with you. I can't help it. I can't help it. But before we do that, if you're fascinated like me as much as I am about fennel, I need you to go to the comment now and type fennel. Go right now and put fennel. And I'm going to share with you now some amazing health benefits of fennel. Some additional ones. I'm not sure if Maline wants to add anything else before.
All right, so I ask you, I beg of you, incorporate fennel. Not just incorporate in your diet. It's very, very important because it helps to build the red blood cells. Here it is, and we mainly use the seeds, and there is so much power in the seeds. Anything that you use and you use the seed of it, you're getting 100% nutrients. So here we have the fennel. All right, this is what the seed what it looks like. And earlier we showed you the plant itself. So this is a fennel seed. Now, one of the deficiencies that we have worldwide is iron deficiency. And this is a great source of iron. Iron is needed in the body, in the blood, to build the red blood cells. As I told you, the blood is so important because we have about each human, they say, have about 5 liters of blood in the body. And if you lose 3 liters, you're dead. So we have to make sure we replenish the blood. We detoxify the blood so that we have a clean and healthy bloodstream. Now, with fennel, you can add fennel here with sarsaparilla, and you get one of the best source of iron. So for ladies that have fibroids and they're bleeding constantly, you're losing a lot of blood, you're losing a lot of iron. Fennel, incorporate fennel in your everyday living along with sarsaparilla, and you're on the road to good health. All right, as I said earlier, remember, men, it's also good for urine, so it helps with prostate health. It's not only for women, it's for men, and we all have liver, so this is a good liver health product. Fennel.
We used to call it a ram goat, that's a young lady. Now we have to call it a fennel lady.
Wesley, I mean, I was so intrigued about fennel because a lot of persons don't know about the benefits of fennel, and I said I wanted to speak about the benefits of fennel. So here we are. We say knowledge is power, but knowledge is only power when it is being used. All right. So please, you can also do more reading on fennel and incorporate it in your everyday diet.
The passionate fennel lady, and I promise you we're gonna share some additional help. So Maline, Yitshar blends is focusing on the blood purifying aspect, the blood aspect of fennel. But guys, I can't help myself. I have to share some additional ones. One, it reduces bloating and ease gas in the digestive tract. 2, fennel stimulates gastric enzyme production, aiding digestion and alleviating constipation. It's traditionally used to soothe colic as well in infants. You know that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I do.
Yeah. It helps also. Helps to clear mucus and ease breathing during respiratory infections. It provides relief from sore throats due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The phytoestrogens help regulate menstrual cycles and ease PMS and menopausal symptoms, which you should know about. It's also traditionally used to boost breast milk production. It's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids and reduce oxidative stress and chronic disease risk. There's another one as well. It helps prevent skin damage and aging, so it supports skin health. It contains anisole, which helps lower inflammation and may benefit conditions like arthritis.
Yeah, man, and that is the same thing that they found that helps with the breast cancer and also with liver cancer. And that research was done back in 2022.
Fantastic. And number 10, I'm just running down quickly. It's high in vitamin C and has antimicrobial properties which help boost immune function and fight infections like a man. It provides essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, supporting bone health and prevents osteoporosis. You hear that? So I know you love the blood purifying properties, but I had to mention those.
Yeah, man. And we had mentioned some earlier.
You mentioned some of those in there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, awesome, awesome. The fennel, guys. And I promise you a little bonus that we're going to share. A special fennel drink recipe with you. Maline has it, right? I'm gonna give you a little. Here it is. The fennel drink, a special drink that you had. But just before I share the recipe with you, I'm gonna also answer a couple popular questions about fennel. If you have questions, I'm gonna ask you to put it in the comment as well. Number one, what is fennel used for, right? And these are some of the most popular questions. We pull some of the best answers to share with you. Fennel is used for various digestive problems as well, including heartburn, intestinal gas, bloating, loss of appetite, and colic in infants. It's also used for upper respiratory tract infections, cough, bronchitis, cholera, backache, bedwetting, and visual problems. And this does not even include what Maline has been trumpeting, which is the blood cleansing aspect of it. Number two, does fennel detox the body? And the answer is
yes. It does.
Yes, she said a
Yes,
resounding yes. The essential oils of fennel seeds are great for detoxifying the body, which helps cleanse the blood. Purifying the blood through your diet is particularly important to ensure the efficient absorption of nutrients. Does fennel reduce belly fat, Miss Maline? The answer is, this is a response. Consumption of fennel seeds regularly speed up metabolism, which can boost weight loss. Besides, fennel also detoxifies the body to release toxins and speed up fat loss. One of the best ways to consume fennel seeds is drinking fennel tea. And that takes me right to the recipe, the bonus, guys. The bonus, how to make this special fennel drink. Maline is going to share with us. So this one, what is this called, Maline?
All right, so there's really no name for it. I know it's hot, it's summer. Everybody is just screaming about the heat and to be hydrated. Fennel is one of the best things that can hydrate your body. So the fennel, the special Yitshar blends fennel drink, you have the fennel, you have mint in it. A lot of people call it cooling mint, some call it colon mint, some call it conal mint. Mint is very good for hydration. So we have mint, we have the fennel, and if you look at the bottom, you can see the fennel seeds, and we have lemongrass in it.
How do you make it?
All you need to do is, once again, if you know Yitshar blends, we promote dry herbs. We don't use green herbs, all right? So we put some water on and we add the herbs to it. We add the dry fennel seeds, we add the lemongrass and the mint, and we let it boil. We let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we just pour it over ice.
That's it.
All right. Yes, it's very, very good. So if you can, not sweet, Wesley. You know, I don't promote sweet. Now, as we had mentioned in our dog blood video as well, this is one of the best ways for you to consume honey. If you want to consume honey and get all the nutrients from honey, this is the best way. Cold. Okay. Once you put honey in anything that's cold or room temperature, you get all the benefits of honey. If you should put it in something hot, you're killing the nutrients.
Another bonus for you guys.
Yeah, man, trust me, this is very, very good. It cools your body temperature down, and it also hydrates you. So if you can't get to a coconut water, try this fennel drink. Just have it and have it in your fridge, and it's good to go. You can take it with you. We do have our cups that we always take around. So we fill it with our fennel drink, and this is what we have for the summer.
You and Tamara. Well, now I know I'm gonna get some of that.
Trust me, it's good. As I said, lemongrass, mint, and fennel.
And guys, guess what? We have the test. We have a tester. What is it? James? Dave. Sorry. Yeah, man. So we have a paria who's gonna taste. Sorry, Dave is gonna taste the fennel drink.
Fennel. So what in it? Just fennel.
Fennel,
lemongrass, and mint.
Mint.
Very good.
Refreshing.
Yes, man.
Just the mint night, you know.
Yeah. Nice.
And the
I know too
lemongrass.
much about the fennel, so.
Yeah.
really know if you search for it. You need to really turn up in it, you know?
Alright, my boss, alright. This is mine, guys. What do you think about this? Alright, I'm gonna drink my fennel drink right now, my fennel tea.
No sugar.
No sugar. Alright.
So that's fennel iced tea.
Secret recipe from Yitshar blend.
Correction, you know?
You know I can't leave here, guys. I can't leave St. Mary without having Maline share. She actually have a couple products with the fennel as well. I can't leave St. Mary without having her sharing some of them with you, and also how you can get in touch with her. Very knowledgeable, very resourceful lady. But just before again, I'm gonna ask you, if you find this thing as intriguing as I am, I need you to go to the comment and put fennel right now. Your new learning about fennel. Put fennel in there. We're bigging up Maline and we're bigging up fennel right now. Quickly, Maline.
Yeah, man. So this is what I mentioned about the blood cleansing aspect of fennel. So it's also it has to be in our blood cleansing tea, along with seriously king of the forest, sarsaparilla, bitterwood, cloves, cascara bark. So that's in the blood cleansing tea. All right. This is in there as well. Very good cleansing agent. We have it in what we call our Jamaican bus gas. If you're suffering from gas, what Jamaican call gas, it's also in it. And you had mentioned earlier as well, Wesley, that is good for gas. Yeah, man, we know that's why we put it in our bus gas tea. This is one of our newest addition, and it is going like hot bread. We have it in our eye health tea. As I said, if I had known about it, yeah, man, if I had known about it from earlier, I wouldn't be wearing glasses now. So it's in the eye health tea, and also we have eye bright that's in it. Ginkgo biloba that's in the eye bright. We have elderberry that's in the eye bright. We also have it in our Search Me Heart tea, which is heart health. We spoke about heart health, cardiovascular. We spoke about it helping the heart. It's good for heart. You find it in this along with the chia seed, pumpkin seed, elderberry. Very good. And of course, Search Me Heart herb, it's in it. All right, so it's also good for high blood pressure, as we spoke about insulin earlier. It's very good for the intake of insulin uptake, and we also have it, we recommend it for the diabetes tea and the insulin uptake. All right.
How can people get in touch? Yeah, she's so much information, guys. How can people get in touch with you? This is awesome.
The best way to get in touch with us is through our WhatsApp number, which is 876-787-5046. We also have our Instagram handle and our Facebook. But to be honest, sometimes we're bombarded with calls. So if you call and you're not getting through, just call us again or just send us a text.
On WhatsApp?
We're on WhatsApp, and we're open Mondays to Fridays from 10 through to 6. On a Saturday, we go from 10 through to 2. And one thing about the blood cleansing tea as well, the blood cleanses itself only at nights when the muscles are relaxed and it's not moving. The best hours are between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Now, this is the time that you should take the blood cleansing tea just before going to bed. All right, 7 consecutive nights, and then you stop. You should not go over 7 nights. So this is the blood cleanse with the fennel. Very important. Only at night, just before retiring to bed, when the muscles are relaxed and not moving. That's when the blood will clean itself, and this is just a helper. All right.
Fantastic.
So God bless. Use the herbs. The herbs are for the healing of the nation. We have stepped away from the herbs. I'm encouraging you to come back to the herbs, all right, so that we can be healthy. As I said earlier, knowledge is power only when it's been used.
And a great way to end Revelation 22 verses 2. The leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nation. Big up Maline, guys, as you go.
Big up Lord Jesus Christ, my Savior, and the person that has given me this idea and the gift to share with persons across the world, not only in Jamaica, but across the world, the healing benefits of the herbs that He has placed here on earth. God bless you.
Maline, guys, and the fennel. Listen, man, you need to pause now and share this video with someone right now. People need to learn about these stuff that we have here in Jamaica. Do that. Hit that share button right now. There's another video, if not yet seen, I'm going to introduce it to, and that's the one prior to this one, which is a dog blood video about a powerhouse herb. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.